Hi guys, welcome back once again. In this video, we will see how to write a program to find a number in an array. So let's understand the logic first. Find a element in array. Okay. So let's consider I have one array that's called numbers. Okay. This array have got this kind of numbers. These are some numbers. Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to check, means let's consider key. I have to check 5 is exist or not. Okay, so key value is 5 here. So what I will do, I will take this 5 and I will start comparing with each and every element. Is it equal to 5? 3 is equal to the 5? No. 8 is equal to the 5? No. 9 is equal to the 5? No. 2 is equal to the 5? No. 6 is equal to the 5? No. So it's not matching, so it will return at the last that the element 5 is not exist in array. Okay, now let's think about 2. So what will happen here, that it will check compared to the 3, it's equal to the 3? No. 2 is equal to the 8? No. 9 is equal to the 2? No. Here 2 is equal to the 2? Yeah. So we found this element here itself, so we are not going to look through the other element because 2 is already exist. So we can write here 2 is already exist. Okay, so let's implement this program. Create a new project right here. So finding a element. Okay, so let's get the number first. Number, so enter size of array. Okay, so we have right now size. Okay, let's get all the element one by one. So I equal to 0, I should be less than 1, I plus plus, and let me declare this I, and let me declare array that's called numbers, size give it 100. Now what I will do, I will enter printf, enter first numbers. Okay, so here I will pass I plus 1. Okay, now let's get the element. So percentage d and numbers of I. Okay, yeah. Okay, up to here we have the we got the number, right? Now what we have to do, we have to get the key value, means what he is trying to search. So let's get that number. So printf enter a number to search. Okay, let's get this number and store in key. Let's declare one more variable that is called key. Okay, next what we are going to do, we are going to check, means let's write one loop, start from 0 up to n and I plus plus. What we are going to do here, that we will be writing one condition, if number of I equal to key. What we are doing, that we started comparing the given number with the whole array. Okay, that's why I wrote here number of I equal to key. So once I found, so let me declare one more variable, is found. Okay, and now let's set it as 0, means not found, default. And here what I will write, so if it's once it will come to the loop, it will set is found equal to 1 and it will return, means terminate the loop. Okay, because we don't want to execute anymore. At the last, what I will do, I will write one if condition, if so is found equal to 0. That means I can say that, means at the starting state it was 0 and still it's 0, means key, let's consider the number is not found. Okay, now pass the value of key, so key. Okay, otherwise, means when the value of is found is 1, that means we got the element. So we can write here printf key 5 is found. Okay, so we can pass a key. Okay, so now let's save the program. Let's understand one more time here. I am asking the number, what is the size, and according to the size I am getting all number one by one. Okay, now I am getting the number which he wanted to search, and by using this for loop I am checking the number within array, and if found I will stop the loop, otherwise it will be continue. Okay, so and now I am finally checking here condition, if found equal to 0, means still at the starting stage it was 0 and still it's 0, means there, we haven't found. Okay, and if once it's got inside this loop it will be 1. So if condition is false, that means we found the element. Okay, now save it, and what is the error? So from go to view and click on logs. Okay, yeah, I have used here comma, so let me put this semicolon. Okay, size, so let me enter 5, enter first number, so 1 2 3 4 5 7, enter a number to search. Okay, let me enter 10 here, so here 10 is not found. Okay, so let me execute one more time. 5 1 2 3 4 5, let me enter 3, so why not it's got printed? Okay, return. Oh, I need to do here break. Okay, I have to break the loop, so I can write here 5 1 2 3 4 5 and let me search 3, so key 3 is found. Okay, you got it? So if you have any doubt in this, you can ask me in comment. I will provide the link in description where you can get the code, and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.